The future rolls on 6 wheels. The 2026 FNSS PARS III 6x6 FSVN is a game-changer. In the ever-evolving battlefield of 2026, speed, protection and firepower are no longer optional, they're essential. Enter the FNSS PARS III 6x6 FSVN, the Turkish armored combat vehicle that doesn't just keep up with the future, it's leading it. Upgraded for 2026, the PARS III now comes equipped with a next-generation remote weapon station, RWS, capable of integrating 30mm autocannons, anti-tank missiles, and a drone command interface, allowing real-time targeting and support coordination. Its AI-assisted battlefield sensors detect threats 360 degrees, even behind cover. With enhanced modular armor, the vehicle withstands IEDs, RPGs and AP rounds. The V-shaped hull, reinforced in this version, improves crew survivability against mine blasts and ambushes. Inside, operators are supported by a luxury-grade control interface with touchscreen panels, GPS battlefield mapping and digital comms. The PARS III's powerful turbo-diesel engine paired with advanced suspension and amphibious capabilities ensures it can deploy in deserts, jungles, or urban chaos with equal confidence. But what truly sets the 2026 PARS III apart is its role versatility. Command vehicle, fire support platform, scout unit, or drone controller. It's the Swiss Army knife of 21st century land warfare. As the battlefield becomes more complex, vehicles like the PARS III 6x6 FSVN show that power isn't about being the biggest, it's about being the smartest, fastest, and most connected. This is not just an armored car. This is the nerve center of modern battlefield dominance.